What if the jobs of tomorrow didn't exist today? What if the careers that define our future aren't built by humans, but by intelligence we've created? The world is changing, and so is the meaning of work. Imagine a world where doctors never miss a diagnosis, where teachers exist in every home as AI mentors, where artists collaborate with machines to create symphonies and masterpieces beyond human imagination. This is not science fiction. This is tomorrow, knocking at our door. AI will not just take jobs, it will create them. Roles like AI ethics specialists, virtual environment architects, human-AI interaction designers, space resource managers, and neurointerface engineers will redefine what it means to work. These aren't dreams. They are the new reality of the AI future, driven by technology trends and digital transformation. But with this progress comes questions. What happens to the millions of jobs replaced? How do we keep humanity at the center of innovation? Can technology serve us without controlling us? The jobs of the future will not just pay bills, they will shape history. Are you ready to work alongside intelligence that you created? The future is not waiting. It's here. And it begins with you. Comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.